Hi, me again with Corel tips and tricks. Earlier today, I did a video on circles, which was easy. Squares, you had to throw another step into it. And then I stated that you could do it with a star, and somebody's having trouble with the star. So we've got stars just like before. We're going to blend 10 times, put it on a new path, and then blend along full path and rotate all objects. They don't look like they're right. They really are. The point is in, but if you wanted the downside, what you could do is take this guy and rotate it 30 degrees, rotate this 30, I think this is what his problem is, and then blend these guys, blend along full path, blend along full path and rotate all objects. So now the bottom of the star is on the bottom because we rotated them. That makes life pretty easy. You know, I'm just wondering if we could do one more thing. If we could grab this and Control D, I was thinking that you could save a step instead of having to do what I'm fixing to do. So we want the big star on the bottom. We're going to have to rotate these guys 30 degrees. So there'll be the, whoa, whenever you move something, move it back because you might have changed something. 30 degrees. Blend along new path. Blend along full path and rotate all of them. Look at that. It worked perfectly. Now, select everything, go to Object, break the 8 objects apart, zoom in, and then grab that line. And if you remember, I did not move that other set of stars. I nudged them. So let's group them together, Control G, and nudge them over. You know what? I might have jiggled it, and I did. I think it will be easy enough just to put it right there. Well, it's a little bit off, but you know, remember what we're going to do anyway. We're going to go, let's select all of them, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup all, and grab that biggest star that's like a duplicate wrong, and let's just delete one of them. Now, Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center. When the person, 90-degree rotation, 90-degree rotation. My stars aren't really big enough to make a difference in size, but you can still see it. You know, when a gentleman first emailed me, wanting to know he was having trouble with the star. I wasn't going to make a video because I couldn't see, but that makes a lot of difference. Because the star is going to rotate a little bit different than the others. Anyway, I hope that answered his question and helped you a little bit. And thank you for watching.